Hello my beloved cat fanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, we are here in Luna, La Union with my two sisters and with Beb and Mother Dear. Today's our first day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know if you can hear the background noise, but the chickens are up and the roosters are up as well. That's my alarm clock, meaning I need to get up and help them downstairs kasi nagpe-prep na sila for breakfast. And I can also hear people coming in saying hi to Beb. So I need to check what he's doing downstairs and see what I can do. It was a very, very long flight, a very exhausting day and night yesterday. Yung mga experiences namin was very, very exhausting. So we got into an accident down at the freeway here, and then isa sa mga bagahe namin hindi namin madala. A lot of things happened yesterday, but it all worked out for the best, and now we're here. So let me see and let me show you what's downstairs and what's gonna happen today. So stay tuned. So I went downstairs and found sachets of shampoo and conditioner that I asked Beb to buy earlier this morning because he and his cousin went to the market early in the morning and bought some vegetables, fruits, anything that we need for the day. And so, ayan, instant shower, and there's no hot water here, so the cold water will literally wake you up early in the morning. Kaya I'm up, and now it's time for us to go downstairs. We're still working. Abel. Hi! Naimbag na daw. Ayan, so there's still a lot of things to do here. Ayan. Ano pa? No. Oh, I was gonna make the radish. Sala nila. Should I wake them up? Morning!
Di pa ako naliligo.
Ito ang Casa de Nolar. So,
Merong
making breakfast.
Itong,
Morning, morning. Ayan, provincial life.
Dinakdakan.
Dinakdakan. Atay po yan.
Atay.
Ayan, mixture of atay, liver, and then pork, meat. Ayan. They were up here very early in the morning because they went to the market, and then ayan, we just help each other make breakfast. And then we also have, anong inana dyan? Sinasawag din niyo?
Sibuyas, paminta, bitchin, kunting bitchin, asin.
Asin. Ayan. And then we also have, anong tawag nito sa inyo dito?
Arosip.
Arosip. And seaweed.
Small grapes.
Small grapes daw kasi ayan na, mukha naman talaga siyang grapes. Yeah, but it's actually a seafood. A seaweed. Ayan. Tapos gagawin lang ding salad. Tutong tayo kay auntie. Ayan. So everybody's here. Nagkakape. Very early in the morning. Red Horse na. Ayan. Yeah, so let me go. Ayan. Let's see what they have. Ayun na. So, ano kasi, nagpapa-renovate si Beb. So, that's why the house looks like this. Hi! Ayan. And, yun na silang mango tree right there. Morning po. Ayan.
Nanda kayo makanukar yan. Yan.
Kumakain ba yan? No, I mean, kumakain ba ng ano?
Kapang kami bang gargar, sumamalong kami dyan. Pang pa ng talikod dito.
Para mo naman yung sinisigahan.
Alam ka ro daw.
Lampay lang. Pakitam lang kung na ngamin ka.
Di kayo ito pala si Muro kami ni dyan. Kaya nagadayo, gidikay.
Di kay.
Yan daninong kundring.
Oo.
Di kulungan na di kita, uy.
May sakat kalting mo.
Dapay adyan. Nung bagin hani, garo di kita doon.
Ako mo na. Natay ko lang to.
Namayaan di may isa, bagi may hindi sarili may. Pag mayakit di data, anong mabigat sinapasawala na.
Oh, look at that.
Sabayan nito may angkal.
Marami silang ano. Pomelo. Waki to yung kasunod lang ng Arco dito na kina Beb. Ito, kanilang bahay. This is his house. They're still working on fixing a lot of stuff. So yeah. Busy. Dami tao. Yeah, my sisters are still asleep. Ano sila? My sisters, good morning!
Good morning!
Let's go. Let's go downstairs. They're waiting for us.
Let's go, uy. Ito isa.
Ayan, they're prepping. Ayun na. Ay, susunod.
Ano yung menu ng mga Ilocano? Alam mo na yung laon yun.
Pwede na. Ay, nawala sila. They were here earlier. Where did they go, baby?
Meron daw marathon.
Ay, anong marathon? Ayan. Let's make the, let's make the, yung seaweed.
Sige, go.
Oh, sige. So, we're gonna do, isa-isa lang ba nito? Ana-anaon isa-isa? O apil lang yung
Kasama niya. Basta ganyan mo lang. Bugat na.
tanggalin lang yung mga marurumi-rumi? Sige, sige. Okay.
Tapos ganyan ang pamasa.
Magkano ko kamatis? Pa-add na lang, oo. The kamatis is right there.
Naamo sa kagayan yun. Iana, lampi ng musuka.
O gani, gusto suka din. Ano na lang natagli ng dito para mas asin. Mas isa lang kabuok.
Diri kay kuan lang, kamatis lang ilaibot pa.
As in, pure ano lang yun? Walay laing lasa?
Hmm.
Ay, butang ta. Yan. So, we will just clean up the stem. Make sure to see kasi mga unnecessary dahon. Ayan. Cube. Ano lang, napisa. Wala, katambok.
Focus din.
Focus din. Ayaw lang kayo iparat. Okay na siguro namin. Nailamok. Puti manggod ka. And what are you doing? Cleaning the sea grape.
Video na pantaran, video fit mo lang mo video ko.
Ayan, so what we have, meron tayong rice, meron tayong arusep, and then meron tayong papaitan. We have papaitan. Yung dinakdakan, ano, I don't know what happened, pero yun. Dinakdakan. And then this is their atata. Ata-ata, which is raw carabao. Oh, raw carabao meat. Ayan, oh. Yan ang kanilang kilawin. But we're not gonna do. So, let's wait for them and then let's eat. Good.
Tugtugan mo lang pa. Ada sa kasunod na dyan. Gusto mo? Tugtugan mo. Message mo din. Gimatang di Coca-Cola.
115 ata, no, at 15.
Meron Sayang Ilocana. On the floor. Palagi na.
On the floor.
Merry Christmas.
Dito.
Ha? Oh. Oh. Mahihain eh, tiga Pangasinan pa kayo. No, baka kamag-anak mo pa to.
tradition here in the Philippines.
Ayan, Bisaya ng Ilocana. Merry Christmas! Tawad! Patawad!
Thank you po. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!